Did California's gold rush impact mineral rights? Have you ever wondered how a gold rush could change the way people own and manage mineral rights? Well, California's gold rush did just that, creating some unique legal quirks. Before the gold rush, California had no formal laws about mineral rights. This absence of regulation led miners to come up with their own system for claiming land. They would mark out parcels to stake their claims on the minerals they found. These informal rules turned into mining district codes. These were local regulations created and enforced by the miners themselves. They defined who could hold mining rights and what those rights meant. For example, if a miner was inactive, they could lose their claim to someone who was actively mining. This practice was known as claim jumping. This self-governed system helped reduce violence and disputes among miners. It allowed them to focus on mining instead of fighting over land. The effectiveness of these codes was so notable that elements of them were later adopted into federal mining law. Thus, the gold rush led to a legal framework where mineral rights were tied to active usage and local enforcement rather than centralized government control. From a geographic legal perspective, this situation highlights how a sudden economic boom can create strange and localized legal systems. The miners' self-governed codes are a fascinating example of how laws were shaped in the rough-and-tumble environment of the goldfields. This resulted in a patchwork of mining laws unique to California, reflecting the chaotic nature of the gold rush era. Moreover, the gold rush sped up California's transition to statehood and influenced its mineral policies. Gold was officially declared the state mineral in 1965, symbolizing its lasting importance. However, this rush also led to conflicts over land and mineral rights, including the violent displacement of indigenous peoples. This darker aspect of California's mineral rights history was legally sanctioned by the state government at the time. In practical terms, the gold rush's impact means that even today, California's mining laws and property rights carry some of the legacy from those early mining district codes. This blend of federal law and local customs stems from one of the wildest chapters in American history. California's reputation for having unusual and historically rich mineral laws continues to this day, making it a fascinating topic for anyone interested in state-specific strangeness.